Hello friends, today in this video we shall see how to use MS Excel for making a report card, and to use it, all that we need to do is, in our desktop it must be here somewhere open MS Excel. Like here I have Word, okay, that way. So or else here on top also you may have some files if at all it is being used earlier. Okay. If not, all that we can do is give a simply give a right click on the screen here on the desktop, okay, then go to new, down from second last you will get Microsoft Excel worksheet. Just give a left click there, a file will get created. Your name is new Microsoft Excel worksheet, it is in blue in color, that is selected. There you may write your own name, okay. So I am giving it E class time, okay. After giving your name, you may simply double click here, left click, and open the file. As for me, I have already kept it open one, so I'm just opening the same file. This is the worksheet. Once let me show you first. This is the worksheet. It comes this way, okay, with rows and columns. This A sides, the columns this way are named as A, B, C, D address, and rows are named as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, on top you have file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, that way, data, reviews and views, it goes on. Okay, dear friends, if we want to add extra page, down it is there. So this is first page, then here if you click you can go to the next sheet, you may add. Okay, now let us try to enter the data. So already I have entered, I will show those. Okay, see, the entering data means I made this. I have given roll number, name, subjects I have given English, maths, Hindi, social, SST, then total marks, and 4 students name I have entered and their marks also. Totaling I have not done. Now after entering this, I realize that this is so much on top, I just need to bring it big down or little in the center. For that, suppose I want to bring it down, just simply keeping the cursor in the cell, okay, row side, one address 1, then after keeping there, give a left click, then right click and insert. Not sufficient, some more space, right click and insert, again keep there, right click and insert. So it has come down so much, okay. Then if I want to take it to the right side, okay, keep in A, left click, right click, insert, it is moving, okay. Right click, insert, left, right click, insert, so it is going. If at all I want to delete, same procedure, you may select you may click the cell you want to delete, the row or column you want to delete, and here you have delete option, you may delete it from here also. Okay, fine. Let me bring it some more down. Now friends, up to here our data is being entered. Now all that I need is I want to total it, how much it should be. Before that, let me tell you, dear friends, sometimes this column, this here I gave the space. If this space is, if suppose I have a friend's name which is very long, as space is not sufficient, I want some more space. Okay, all that I can do, click here, bring the cursor up to the line here and give a left click and drag, it will become wide. But if you don't need this much space, you want to make it small, you can bring it like this. Okay, alright, now let us try to see the total, how to total all these marks. Very simple, just keep the cursor here, give equal sign, write down SUM because we are adding it, okay, SUM, then open bracket, then bring the cursor and keep it to the first house, okay, from where you want to calculate. After that, press shift and right click, right arrow, and select everything. Everything means the marks up to where you want. After that, give a close bracket and press enter. Okay, so your mark is getting selected. Your formula is seen here. If at all you want to edit, you may edit it from here. Then for rest of the calculation, you need to simply bring the cursor. See, cursor is in plus sign now. That is also little thicker. Simply bring it close to this dot. Okay, it becomes small plus. And then give a left click and slowly drag it without releasing. Everything will get plus. Okay, everything will get added. So this is how we can add the whole things, whole numbers. Now we want to suppose make it table. Table means make the border clear. Just click in roll number, means the first column. You may press shift, either down button or down arrow or right arrow. I am giving down arrow, then I am giving the right arrow. Everything is getting selected. Now you may go to insert. Here all border, here border, button border option is there. Here all border you will see. Click there, everything will get lined up. But any changes you want to do, dear friends, on the table, before that you will have to select it. Now suppose I want this letters to get colored. I am clicking in roll number again. With shift and right click I am selecting home color. Same way I click in one here, I select everything with left down arrow and right arrow, go to home and I select a color, and suppose I want the background also to be colorful here. Okay, now suppose I need to give a heading, because in roll numbers there will tables, there mark report cards, there will be school name. So go to insert, to the right side you will see word art, click there, any one of the designs you may take, and here you may write down the school name. Okay, whichever school you are dealing with, you may give that school name. Okay, after that you click in the border of it, go to home and decrease the size of it, because it is very big now. Decrease it. If you wish, you may change the color. If color is okay for you, then alright. Now bring the cursor, it will become like anchor this way, star like now. Then click, give a left click and bring it up here. So this is how your report card will be ready. So that's all, dear friends, in this video. For better updates we shall see in the next video. Till then, stay in, stay safe, take care.